All right. What's happening? What's up, baby? It's Raj over here, FX Team Takeover. What's going on with you? I know you out there hustling, man. It's a brand new week. Monday, we getting it in pretty strong. Please, Monday, we getting it in real pretty strong. All right, so look, let's talk about this 3 moving average crossover today. We're going to bust into the charts like we always do. Listen, man, the charts is where the money at. All right. So look, before we get started trading, right, I'm going to crack open this live trade for you, right? And matter of fact, I left my phone downstairs. But this is a trade that is already set up for you. You know, a lot of people are going to look at this trade differently, but you got to look at the confirmations, okay? It's very, very imperative that you read and you study all the confirmations, right? You just don't go on one confirmation. Let me go back to the daily chart, all right? And you really got to look at the whole big picture of everything, right? So look, so now we looking at pound CAD, right? Random pair, very high volume pair, 2 big national currencies, right? And listen, there's a lot of money to be made in this pair, all right? So look, we're looking at pound CAD. Number one, we're looking at the 200 moving average, right? I got my 200 moving average, very simple. I just made it purple so I can see it, right? And we put it on the close, right? Okay. You just use regular moving averages. Now, you can use exponential moving averages if you want to, right? Nothing wrong with it. Hey, listen, you can do whatever you want. This is trading. This is Forex. Forex is your business, right? I'm just going to explain what the moving average does. So with the 200 moving average, it identifies a trend, right? And usually, right, unless price breaks it, if the price doesn't break the 200, right, it bounces off the 200, right? Now, that's a risk that you have to take, but you have to identify a strong trend. How strong is that trend, right? If that trend is strong, it'll break it. If it ain't that strong, it'll bounce right off of it, right? So let's see. Let's check it out right here, right? Strong trend. And it broke right through the moving average. It came down a little bit, but it just smashed right through. Now, a trader, right, somebody else might say, hey, man, look, this is a double top right here, right? They're going to be like, look, man, this is a double top. That means this is a bearish move, right? It's a double top, right? But that's not a true double top. A true double top has to finish. A true double top has to finish, all right? So we're still bouncing off the moving averages. We're looking for all kind of confirmations that is going to be a good trade for us. Let me get that out there. All right. So let's look at the big trend. See that big boy trend? Right, it came from down here, right? That thing's still riding all the way up, man. Big boy trend. Now, we got to get skilled at catching trends at the bottom, right? Big reversals, right? And you can do that when you follow price action, right? Right. When you follow price action, you can catch the big trend, right? You can catch the big trend, the big move. You see this big move? This big move started from here, right? You can see big moves, right, when you go a step above, right? And you can see big moves. You see that? Bang, bang, right? That was that candle. Now, it cleared that candle, and it kept going, right? It just spun everything around. Buyers are strong. Oops, keep doing that. Buyers are strong, right? And they keep going up, but the sellers, they don't want them to go past this point. So let's put resistance right here. They don't want sellers to go past that point right there, and it's starting to form a triangle. Now it's going to go into that formation. Let's say if it breaks formation, if it breaks this resistance, then it's going to be perfect, right? So now what we also do, right, when we trade the moving averages, we look for let me come here. All right, we always buy on the pullback. Right, you always buy or sell on It's a pullback, right? It's going to bounce off this 20 moving average right here. See the 20, and this is the 50. 20, 50, 200 with the Bollinger Bands. I got the Bollinger Bands for confirmation as well. That means the trade is not stretched out yet like it is right here. But when this is pulled, when this is down, right, it's already starting to go up. So we buy off the strong candle, right? We buy off the strong candle. Boom. It's going to come around here. Now, don't know if it's strong enough to break through that resistance. All right. I wouldn't place my take profit past that. And look at this, man. You're still going to get, man. You're going to get a lot of pips, man. Look, you're still looking at a 300 pip move right there. Right. You're still looking at a 300 pip move right there. And if you're getting $5 a pip, if you're getting $50 a pip, right? Right. If you're trading $50 a pip, so let's see how big is that move, right? In 1 week, $50 a pip. That's only 5 lots times, let's say 300 pips, right? Look, you're looking at a $15,000 move, just right here on one trade, right? Now, listen, I'm saying you, you're not going to get this scalping, right? You're not going to get this scalping. You can't scalp this move. You gotta look. We gotta be bigger, man. We gotta think macro. We gotta look at the big picture, right? And we can also scroll down to the monthly, right? And we can take our time getting into this trade. So this trade ain't something that you gotta hurry up and get in, or you're gonna miss the move. Nah, man, we can relax, right? We can relax. So for breaks, this is what we're really trying to get into. This is for a couple years ago, but I mean, listen, man, we take what the market gives us, right? So that's the big move. Keep doing that, right? That's the big move. We can look down on a smaller time frame as well and see what's going on, right? It's going to bounce. See, right now, price is on that 50. Excuse me, it's on that 200, right? You're looking at this. Remember that arrow? If we're buying off that pullback. See, we're buying off the daily pullback. This is the monthly, or excuse me, this is the 4-hour pullback, which would have gave us a whole lot of room, man, if we'd have caught that. See, we did look at a downtrend turn into a pullback real quick, right? And it looks like this is the bear market, right? But look at this downtrend. You'll see the downtrend on the 4-hour, right? But on the daily, it's just a pullback, right? Let me show you something real quick. On the daily, where is my, I think it's on here. Go for the wave. That's it. Go for the wave. Let me see if I can find it. I don't see it. I'm looking for the wave. There it goes. It's on this one. What am I doing? What am I doing? There we go. So let's look at the wave, right? So what we're doing is we're catching moves like this, right? Bam, pull back, bam, right? Swing high, boom, right? We caught that. Pull back, boom, crazier swing high, bam, right? And that's where we end at, right there. And now we're gonna catch this pullback right here, right? Dude. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous move. Let me make it so you can see it, right? I like that color. Let me make it so you can see it, right? Beautiful pullback, beautiful move, beautiful uptrend, right? The move right here is over. The downtrend is over. This is how you identify the trend. And you see these buyers are like, near. We ain't having it. Number one is bouncing off the 200 and it's bouncing off that Bollinger Band, right? Going right into the uptrend on the daily, right? That's it right there. Bam, right? Boom. The 20 is moving up, right? Right? We pulling back. I mean, dude, this is prime. This is prime time. This is prime time trading. I'm trying to grab my arrow. This is prime time trading. We're gonna do something like that. I'm gonna delete this because I don't like how that looks. bam. Prime time trading, I would set my stops like around here on that band right before that that resistance. And if it breaks resistance, keep your eye on this trade, man. If it breaks resistance, right? Now it's gonna take a while. Like, just keep an eye on pound CAD. If it breaks resistance, man, let's look at this currency strength, right? Pound way stronger than CAD, right? It's gonna take more CAD to buy the pound, right? I mean, dude, everything is looking like this is a good opportunity for a buy. Let's buy this currency right now. Let's see. Let's check the news. Is there any news going on? Right? Canada tomorrow is Tuesday. I don't see no news. I see a little regular news or pound CAD. Be good only in the morning. Be good. So what we do, we gotta set our stops now. Where do we put the stop at? Right? If we're buying, I will put the stop right under here. Right? Because look, it's right under the 200. Right? And you don't want to get stopped out. You want to get you want to give it trade some room to breathe. Right? I'll put it right below that 50. That still might be a little too much. I'll put it on that 50 because I'll put it on that 50. Right? So that's the move. That's the trade. That's the trade. I will buy market. Right? My take profit will be right here. Amen. Put a line like right here. You want to put it like right under. Right? This my take profit. Bling. Right? And we're going to make our stop loss. Oops. Our stop loss is going to be, let's make it, that color. Let's make it that color. All right. So there we have it, right? 300 pip move laid out for you perfectly. And dude, this is just printing money. All right. So listen, beware. This is the move that I'm going to make. You don't have to take this move. Do your research. See if it fans out to you. I mean, you might be a person that's looking at a sell. You might think it's going to become a downtrend and go all the way under, right? But the 200 moving average, if the 200 moving average is underpriced, if the 20 moving average is going up, right? The 50 is on the bottom. We have all the trends, right? We're on a pullback. We got 5 or 6 confirmations. The price is even going up over here. Listen, stay focused, do your due diligence, and let's get this money, all right? Practice proper risk management. Don't put in 20 lots, 25 lots. Don't put in 10 lots. Listen, if you ain't got a big account, man, listen, if you just paper trade this thing, man, all right? You ain't missing it. There's so many opportunities out here in the market, man. I promise you, man, you won't miss it if you miss this trade. There's literally trillions of opportunities in the market. All right. Look, my name is Raj. I'll definitely see you on the other side. This is FX Team Takeover. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Drop this in somebody's inbox that'll help them out. And I'll definitely see you on the other side. All right. Stay focused.